Hey everyone, it's Tony from Only Faith. Welcome to my review of Fort DeSoto Park in St. Petersburg, Florida, at the southern tip of Pinellas County. It has 23 campsites, multiple beaches, and kayaking, along with a historic fort built in the late 1800s.
Wait.
Hi.
Ready to go on an adventure?
Yeah.
You're awake?
No.
Excited?
Yeah.
Alright, we're almost there. Hey, so I just finished checking in at the camp office. Well, not really checking in. I got here a little bit early. So we're gonna spend the day at the beach. But I just wanted to go kind of like check in and get some maps and just to verify some stuff. So if you're paying to stay at the campground, check-in is at 1 o'clock. But if you come early, the beach is open like at 7, and they close at sunset. The park office here opens at 9. But you can come in and go to the park, to the beach, and parking is included with your campground stay. If not, it's $6 for parking. It's also $6 just to get into the park. So which is not too bad, because here in Florida, I paid up to like $50 one time just to park for 4 hours, all the way down in Captiva, which is a beautiful place, but parking is very, very small, very tight. So, but you come early and you can go drive around, and the license plate that you register online, the license plate that you give in on there, that's the license plate that they use at the parking fee booth, or the guard booth, I guess, when you go into the parking area. They'll scan your plate to see that you're registered. So that's what the guy told me. So we're gonna find out. But over here, just checking out the little scenery as when you come into the park. It's raining right now, so hopefully it'll clear up. But the water here is really clear. You can see some of the minnows there. Definitely a nice, good place to fish. I know you're allowed to fish here because they got the little fishing line recycle station. So. Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Water's nice and clear. And here I'm doing a quick drive-by of some of the campsites and the bathrooms that they have. Sites here on the left are across from the water, and the sites just to the right that I'm going to show you in a couple seconds are right on the water. All the sites are pretty roomy. They're pretty easy to back in. As you can see, there's plenty of garbage cans, and the roads going through the campground are pretty wide, where you can pretty much fit a Class A through it. Here's a view of one of the bathrooms, facilities, and showers. They're multiple throughout the campsite. Like I said earlier in the video, there's over 236 campsites. And they're all shaded, have a lot of nice trees and foliage, and pretty secluded. Got a nice little camp store here. Pretty cool.
Where's Lisa at?
She's in the back.
Nice.
Got an ice machine. Go check out the camp store here. Here's a close-up of the kayaks. Hello. How you doing? I was just gonna do a little videoing. All right. It's a kayak launch area. It's pretty cool. Pretty clean. See the fish jumping. Or turtles. Here we are at a campsite, and this is our wonderful view. We're at campsite 202, Fort DeSoto. Nice waterside view. I think do some good fishing here. There's a beautiful sight here. Site 202. Back to Runaway up into here. So in the morning, we'll have a nice view of the lake here. Got caught with a little rain just a little while ago. Well, those little quick passing thunderstorms. Gonna set up. Looks like someone left their kids' towels here. The van did good. We have got our water hookup. And we got our electrical hookup. Got a 30 and a 50. Says check out by 11. But look how beautiful it is now. It got so dark before. One of those Florida rains. Guys got black as it just poured. But now the sun's out. So this is our wonderful site. Some nice beautiful trees, a little shade. A little tight. And to see how my daughter set up her bedroom. She's got a blanket, got a sleeping bag, got a pillow, got a mattress, got all the space for her gear, got a fan. I'll put the TV up later and AC. Yep, it's all set up. From storage, cargo trailer, to camping trailer. Gotta love the Runaway. Oh, I got a trout there. Burgers are cooking good. Almost ready. Nice sunset coming. Looks like it's gonna be real pretty. Can't wait to get some clips of it. Had a nice dinner. Hanging out here. By the water. Real quiet, peaceful. Fort DeSoto State Park. Hanging out with my daughters, doing some little shelling. Gazelle's holding up good. Our little table held up good. Nice and strong. Campsite's going good. All in all, having a nice peaceful time. These beautiful trees here. Beautiful palm trees. Very peaceful here. Definitely gonna come back. Beautiful sunset. Good morning, everyone. Survived the night here in this wonderful park, Fort DeSoto. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. Here's a view that I got up to. Beautiful day, beautiful morning. It's nice and cool here. Probably about high 70s. Look at that gorgeous sky here in Fort DeSoto. Nice clear water. Birds are out. My neighbor from last night was fishing over here, trying to catch some shrimp. I know he caught a trout yesterday. Got his gear. But yeah, if you want to come fishing, it's a great spot to fish. It's peaceful. This place is pristine, clean. I see some early morning kayakers out there. There was even some kayakers here last night. Kayaking at night, which I'd never seen before. But it was pretty cool to see them out there. There's another kayaker there. A little island out there. Bird's not too happy with me. Disturbing him. But yeah, I definitely recommend this park, this campground, if you're lucky enough to get into these spots. This campground is run by the county, Pinellas County. Is ran in a similar manner that the Florida state parks are run, which are pretty well managed. It's clean. I'm real happy with the parks that I've visited here in Florida. So definitely check it out and come down and see if you're lucky enough. You can stay here for 14 days, but it's kind of hard to get a spot. I got lucky, someone canceled. And now it's September, we're getting into the busy season here in Florida. So you just got to keep trying, and you could probably definitely get some spots for during the week, but you might get lucky. So just keep trying and see if you make it in. If you keep trying, you definitely will.
Thank you for watching my little short review of Fort DeSoto State Park. I'll leave you off here with a little shot of the beach. This park has multiple beaches, it has multiple amenities. It's a great park for the family and friends. The fort was awesome. I have a lot of video of my weekend here, and hopefully we'll post it in some of the future videos to come. With that, Tony from Only Faith out. Peace, love, and keep on camping. Thank you.